Hey guys, Ben from Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. I'm actually making a short video here to give a visual explanation to a comment left on one of my YouTube videos in regards to the bottom sweep cut. And this is from Bruce Cooper. So Bruce, to answer your question, that my video wasn't too detailed, is showing the notch cuts and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you here now. All right, so you get yourself your sweep a little oversized. Okay, so this is what I like to do on a simple corner shower. Is I like to run the wall vinyl all the way down. Okay, but not enough that it rubs on the saddle. And then what I do is I just butt the bottom sweep up against that. And I take myself a pencil, and first I mark the edge of the door. All right, and then I close the door slightly. And right now, what I'm looking at is the fin of this this little jam here. So I make also a mark there. So now I've got the full width that I need, and I have the location where the notch is going to be. So first things first, I cut the full length to its finished size. Then I turn this guy around. I see my second mark. I'm not making a complete cut. All I'm doing is taking off this diverter and the leg that it holds on. I'm not trying to remove the bottom sweep fins or any of this part. So I'll show you what that looks like now. So with the same little tool that I use for cutting, I just start this little relief cut here. And again, my intentions are not to cut the fin underneath. Now that I've cut through there, I'm going to make the final cut here to get rid of that. So literally speaking, the sweep is still full length, but we've made this little soft cut here to allow the door to sit flush up against the wall, the panel vinyl. So as you see, my cut wasn't 100% perfect here, so I go ahead and I start feathering it out a bit. And then I soften the corner up a little bit. So some folks like to use like a file to file this down. Honestly, just using a blade is more than fine to soften it up. All right. So now you start putting your sweep on from one corner first. Get it as far back as you can up to its end point. Sweep on. Make any little adjustments you got to do in advance. Okay. So now the sweep is flush to the edge of the door, but of course that relief cut is now going to allow the door to close all the way down. You get a good visual here. So that's where the sweep cut is. Okay. Again, that sweep cut is so that it allows the door to touch that fin on this side. And of course, if I didn't make that notch cut, that the sweep itself would actually rub against that, creating a hole, and then there you'll have a shower door leak. All right. Hey Bruce, thank you for your question. I hope this video is helpful. If you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website, nglassstores.com.